another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep at the bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fait on my deck, chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, in my day.
Welcome back, wig lovers, and today we're here with a wig from OhMyPretty Hair. This is a 24-inch wear and go straight hair. As you guys can see, this is HD lace. The melt is perfect, guys. When I tell you guys about this wig, y'all know it's no joke. 24-inch, true to length, glueless. Guys, y'all need to watch the video and watch me install this wig. And don't forget, they're having a sale, 10% off, so you guys can shop with this code, and the link for this wig will be in my description box down below. So y'all stop sleeping, because OhMyPretty Hair did their big one. Alright y'all, so let's see what OhMyPretty girl gave us in our package. So as you see here, it says OhMyPretty Hair collection. So they sent us a glueless wig, 24 inches, but let's see what the packaging is giving. The hair was on top. I already took the hair out. So they gave us some lashes, and I am actually wearing those lashes right now. So these lashes are from OhMyPretty Hair. These lashes packaging is so cute. Like, it's extremely cute, super cute. I like the shape and everything. So I am saving these to put my lashes back in there. They gave us wig cap. We got the OhMyPretty Hair collection manual with all of their platforms. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have TikTok, we have YouTube, and it says right here, thank you for your purchase. I hope this package brightens your day. Please enjoy $10 off your next order, which is code. I'm gonna give you guys the code. So the code is OhMyPretty. An edge brush. I love me some edge brush. Some wig band. And they gave me a cute little bonnet. And it says OhMyPretty on there. So they gave us a bonnet, y'all. And y'all know how much I love my bonnet. Y'all know how much I love my bonnet. Alright y'all, now this is my wig straight out the package. This is a 24-inch glueless wig, wear and go, true to length. This is really 24 inches. So it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. As you guys can see, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. She got an adjustable band, and the lace is given. That's the lace, y'all. This hair is so soft, like, it's really soft. The texture feels excellent. I like the feeling of this wig. You can tell it's 100% human, no mixed fiber, nothing. It's giving human. So I'm just gonna put it straight on my head, no foundation added, and see what it's giving before I go ahead and add my foundation. I just want to see what it's giving. Just a 3 and you know that we locked in. Alright, this is right out the package, no foundation added. This is just straight out the package. and it's already laid flat, no wig band and nothing, and it's flat. So yeah, this is what it's giving when I added a little bit of foundation. Now I'm just gonna cover it up a little bit more like that. And she's definitely glueless. So as you guys can see, it's not glued down. OhMyPretty here did the big one, because this is definitely glueless. It fits my head perfectly. It's not loose in the back, nothing is bugging, it fits perfect. I love this hair so much. So now that I've shown you guys that it's definitely glueless, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of melting spray, because I want this wig to last me for a week because I have work. So I'm gonna add a little bit of spray, not glue, because we don't really need any glue. Always blow dry and cool when you're doing a wig. Cool, okay? Not warm, not hot, cool. Alright y'all, so we're gonna remove the band to see what it's giving. This wig don't have to wear with no edges. The no edges look is really giving, but I love me some edges, so I'm gonna put 2 baby ears, like one here and one right here. You don't have to, but I want to, okay?
Fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this. So if I yes you want I go vex. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, okiti plenty money. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, okiti plenty.
Right, I'm gonna straighten my part to make sure that it's clean. Okay sis, don't forget we don't want to see that wig all dry, so we need to add a little bit of shine. I don't need to flat iron because this wig is already flat and silk, but I'm a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of flat ironing. I love this wig. Oh my god, I can't stop saying I'm not a fan of straight hair, but this wig is busting, believe me. Last but not least, I'm gonna highlight my parts so that you guys can really see my scalp. Okay, so I like to use the end of my comb to highlight my part. I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. I'm just gonna get it straight, pop it right in there, just like that. Yeah, this is us. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You guys know it's something serious when you see me showing all my 32. Lashes and wig from OhMyPretty here.